So once again, to illustrate, Coltsfoot love gravelly hillsides. That's where they thrive. That's the side of the road where it's all clay soil, not very rich. Dandelions grow even better in rich soil, but Coltsfoot you'll pretty much only find in very disturbed soil. And at this point, they're starting to close up because they're finishing for the season. This one won't open anymore like one of the flat flowers that you saw earlier, like this one. It's going to become a fluff of white, kind of like, I'm gonna rip this one open so you can actually see it. There's the white fluff. It's gonna look like a little dandelion puff ball in a day or so. And now you can see what comes second, which is the leaves. These are the leaves. They'll get much, much bigger than that, but these are Coltsfoot leaves. They're considered the shape of a colt's foot. Again, this is Tussilago farfara, and there's the sort of prehistoric looking stem. This flower that many people mistake for a dandelion, although the dandelions are coming out like crazy now, although they're not at their peak yet. So Coltsfoot, here's a dandelion plant. It's very lush looking, but doesn't have a flower out yet. There's only a few flowers already blooming. Tussilago farfara. There's a whole clump of them there. When they first come out, there's the little reddish bump with the stems that have these really interesting bumps, leaves. And there is the plant, the leaf. The leaf, root, and stem of the plant can be used to make a great cough syrup if you boil it down with sugar. We'll do that later.